Let the little boy know that she cared.
Because this was laid on my heart. I have 5 grandchildren, and this right here really just touched my heart.
When you heard the news today?
When I heard the news that it's a possibility of him being deceased.
WSAB's lead investigative reporter Brett Buffington tells us what we know now about this investigation so far.
Police haven't told us the evidence that's made them believe Quinton Simon has died, but they tell us they haven't. The little boy, last seen last week, is still the center of an intense search.
Sadly, we still have not found Quinton.
The toddler's mother, LaLaney Simon, the only suspect. Her call to 911.
She woke up, her door was open.
Telling police that she thought someone took her child.
Leilani's story doesn't add up.
From the start, Quinton's grandparents didn't believe that story. His grandmother telling the investigative unit her daughter doesn't remember anything from the morning Quinton went missing. Her and her husband, Thomas, both in shock that Quinton isn't just missing.
We know that millions of people fell in love with Quinton Simon the moment they saw his face and learned of his disappearance.
Quinton's family tells us that federal agents and local investigators in this case believe Quinton's body may be in a landfill. Chatham County's police chief said he wouldn't talk about something that specific, but both the FBI and his department would tell us when and where this heartbreaking search goes next.